Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery, and this is Avery's World. We'll be doing another jewelry unboxing today. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you some of the tools I use. A pair of scissors, a magnet to check for sterling silver, a magnifying glass, a mandrel to determine ring sizes, and a tape measure to find the length of bracelets and necklaces. Okay, you guys, let's get right into this haul. So I ordered this off of eBay and it came pretty quickly. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I usually do jewelry and clothing hauls, and I'm a reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. So I hope everyone's having a good day today. I am. I just have to get this open, and we can look at our first couple of items. Okay, here's the first ring. This is very nice. It's sterling silver. All the items are today, and I really like the wings. Okay, so there's our first item. Let's take a look at the next one. This is a wraparound ring, and it's very pretty. I like the heart pattern on there. Most of these rings are size 6 or 7, I believe, so I won't be using the mandrel today. So let's get into the rest of these rings, guys. I'm really excited. Just gotta get this open. Okay, so we have 7 more items, and we're looking at all rings today. Just cleaning up a little bit there. Just fixing that. Okay. Let's see if this will come open nicely. Okay. Let's get to our third item. This looks like what could be a blue topaz. It's a round cut, and it's very pretty. Let's check it with the magnet to see if it'll stick. Nope, it's not sticking, so that's a good sign. And I forgot to check these ones with the magnet, but we can check them now. And this one is not sticking, so that's good. And let's check the other one. And it is not sticking. Okay, you guys. Let's get on to our next item. Let's see what we have here. This also looks like a blue topaz, a smaller blue topaz, and it's very pretty. Let's check it with the magnet. It's not sticking. Okay, so look, we have a CZ, what looks like a CZ here, and it looks like an engagement ring. And let's check it with the magnet. Now remember, if you're interested in purchasing any of these items, you can leave a comment down below or send me a message on Instagram. Okay, let's look at our next item. It's a very pretty ring. I like the stones. The stones on either side of the main stone look like they could be amethyst. I'm not sure what the main stone is, though. Let's check it with the magnet. Okay. Next ring. And this looks like it's probably onyx with marcasite. This is a cute ring. Let's check it with the magnet. And it is not sticking, so that's good. And let's see what we have next. We have a beautiful ring with a small pink stone and CZ accent stones, maybe. It's a very pretty ring. It's not sticking to the magnet, which is good. And we have our last item for today. This actually looks like a garnet, but I'm not sure. And I really like it. It's very pretty. I like the style of it. And let's check to see if it'll stick to the magnet. It's not, so that's good. Okay, I think that one is very pretty. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite today. Okay, bye guys. See you next time.